At Brown & Crouppen, we handle a wide variety of personal injury cases. Any kind of motor vehicle accident, car accident, bus, truck, motorcycle, even bicycle. All of those, of course, we're going to handle. But we also handle premises cases. People don't think about that, but falls are the leading cause of accidental death in this country. So we handle people who have fallen in stores, but only in situations where it was the store's negligence that caused the fall. We also handle some product liability cases, and of course we handle all the pharmaceutical cases that people hear about on TV. They ever see those commercials and for these drugs and they think they have to call some firm across the country. They don't have to. They can actually call us for those cases because we will take care of those as well, and at least they know us. Brown & Crouppen, we've distinguished ourselves from the other law firms, and we've done it in a series of ways. For one, we were always a believer that you needed to have a certain amount of size in your firm to really be fully effective, because insurance companies are big, and these corporations, these greedy corporations, they're enormous, and they have incredible resources. So at Brown & Crouppen, being the biggest in St. Louis, it does mean something. It does mean that we have more lawyers, we have more resources, our name is better known, and the insurance company knows that we're well funded, which means that they can't wait us out on a case. We can fight that case all the way to the bitter end. And we're local. We only practice in the communities that we live in. Unlike a lot of other firms that like to come in from other states or cities, but they don't know the people here. They don't understand the mentality of the jurors in St. Louis or Kansas City. A Midwestern juror is just not the same juror that you're going to get in a state like Florida. And knowing the judges, not that they'll do us any special favor, but they know us. We're in front of them all the time. We're at all the legal functions with them. We know all of the opposing counsel, so there are relationships there. And when you're our size, it's exponential compared to what you're going to get at any other firm. Providing outstanding client experience on top of outstanding legal experience is an investment. And if you want to provide that level of care to every single client, you got to hire more people. You have to have there has to be a good team in place for every single client. And that's why calls can get returned so quickly. And a lot of times we don't have to return calls because the people you're calling just answer the call live and you talk to them right away. But that's resources. A lot of firms don't want to invest that. They would rather try to just squeeze as much profit out of their firm as possible. But for us, we just know it's better business and it's how we would want to be treated. So if it means you hire more people, if it means you pay your people better to get the best people, that's what you do. And that's what we've done.